Hello there, young explorers. Are you ready for an adventure? Before we embark on our journey, make sure you've subscribed to our channel and hit that notification bell. You won't want to miss out on any of our exciting expeditions. Today, we're stepping back in time, millions of years ago, to a world ruled by incredible creatures, dinosaurs. Imagine a world vastly different from our own, a time when gigantic reptiles roamed freely. These magnificent beings with their thunderous footsteps and awe-inspiring presence have captivated our imaginations for centuries. How do we know about these prehistoric behemoths? What evidence do we have of their existence? The answer lies buried deep within the earth, in the form of fossils, the preserved remains of ancient life. Join me as we unearth the mysteries of these long-extinct giants and uncover the secrets they hold. Our journey takes us back to the Mesozoic era, a time spanning millions of years, often called the Age of Reptiles. This era is divided into three periods: the Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous. Each period witnessed the rise and fall of different dinosaur species, each more remarkable than the last. From the mighty Tyrannosaurus rex, the king of the dinosaurs, to the gentle giants like Brachiosaurus, the sheer variety of dinosaur species is astounding. Some were ferocious predators armed with razor-sharp teeth and powerful jaws. Others were peaceful herbivores grazing on ferns and towering trees. How did scientists discover these creatures? What can fossils tell us about their behavior, diet, and extinction? The answers are waiting to be unearthed. Prepare yourselves, adventurers, as we delve into the fascinating world of dinosaur discovery. Our story begins not in the dusty plains where dinosaurs once roamed, but in the halls of academia, with curious minds piecing together a puzzle millions of years old. For centuries, people had stumbled upon strange, enormous bones, relics of a time before memory. These discoveries sparked folklore and legends, whispers of dragons and mythical beasts. It wasn't until the early 19th century that these monster bones began to be understood for what they truly were: the remains of ancient creatures unlike anything alive today. One of the pioneers in this field was an English woman named Mary Anning. Mary spent her days scouring the cliffs along the English coast, her sharp eyes seeking out the telltale shapes of fossils embedded in the rock. Her discoveries, including the first complete ichthyosaur and plesiosaur skeletons, captivated the scientific community and ignited a passion for paleontology, the study of ancient life. Across the Atlantic, a different kind of dinosaur fever was taking hold. The discovery of dinosaur fossils in the American West sparked a period of intense competition known as the Bone Wars. Two rival paleontologists, Othniel Charles Marsh and Edward Drinker Cope, raced against each other to find and name new species. Driven by ambition and a thirst for recognition, Marsh and Cope organized expeditions across the vast Badlands, their teams unearthing thousands of fossils. Their rivalry, though fierce, led to an explosion of knowledge about dinosaurs. From the mighty Stegosaurus, with its plated back and spiked tail, to the long-necked Diplodocus, these discoveries painted a vivid picture of a lost world. The Bone Wars may have been fueled by rivalry, but they left an invaluable legacy, a treasure trove of knowledge about the giants that once ruled our planet. The discoveries of these early paleontologists laid the foundation for our understanding of dinosaurs. Their meticulous work, digging through layers of rock and carefully piecing together fragmented skeletons, brought these creatures back to life in the public imagination. But their work was only the beginning. Each new fossil discovered adds another piece to the puzzle, revealing more about the lives and times of these ancient behemoths. Fossils can tell us more than just the shape and size of dinosaurs. Footprints preserved in stone reveal how they moved and interacted with their environment. Fossilized teeth and even fossilized dung provide clues about their diet and digestive systems. And by studying the rocks in which fossils are found, we can learn about the environment in which these creatures lived and died. The world of dinosaurs wasn't just about size and scale, it was a tapestry of incredible diversity. Just imagine walking through a prehistoric forest, the ground trembling beneath your feet. Towering above you, a Brachiosaurus munches peacefully on leaves, its long neck reaching heights no modern giraffe could ever hope to achieve. But look closer. Darting between its massive legs, a group of Compsognathus, no bigger than chickens, scavenge for fallen scraps. This scene paints a picture of the incredible variety that existed within the dinosaur kingdom. Some dinosaurs were giants, their very footsteps shaking the earth. Others were small and agile, relying on speed and cunning to survive. They were as different as a hummingbird is from a hawk, each species uniquely adapted to its environment and ecological niche. Let's start with the gentle giants, the herbivores. These plant eaters were the true behemoths of the dinosaur world, their immense size a testament to their specialized diets. Take the Stegosaurus, for example, with its iconic plates running down its back and a formidable spiked tail. This gentle giant grazed on low-lying plants, its powerful jaws crushing through tough vegetation. Then there's the Triceratops, a three-horned herbivore that resembled a giant rhinoceros. Its massive frill and horns likely served as both protection from predators and a display for attracting mates. These giants, despite their size and sometimes intimidating features, were primarily focused on one thing: consuming enough plant matter to fuel their massive bodies. Their days were spent roaming vast distances, their powerful legs carrying them from one feeding ground to the next. Section 3. Fearsome hunters, the carnivores. But not all dinosaurs were content with a vegetarian lifestyle. The carnivores, with their razor-sharp teeth and powerful jaws, were the apex predators of their time. The most famous of these fearsome hunters is undoubtedly the Tyrannosaurus rex, or T-Rex for short. With its massive head, bone-crushing teeth, and powerful legs, the T-Rex was a force to be reckoned with. It likely preyed on large herbivores, using its keen senses to track its prey and its powerful jaws to deliver a fatal bite. But the carnivores weren't all lumbering giants. Take the Velociraptor, for example. This agile predator was smaller than a human but incredibly fast and deadly. With its sharp claws and teeth, it likely hunted in packs, bringing down prey much larger than itself. Section 4. Adapting to survive, omnivores. Between the giant herbivores and the fearsome carnivores lay a third group of dinosaurs, the omnivores. These adaptable creatures weren't picky eaters, consuming both plants and meat to survive. One such example is the Gallimimus, a fast-running dinosaur with a long neck and a beak-like mouth. This dinosaur likely used its speed to catch small animals and insects, but it also probably supplemented its diet with plants and eggs. The Oviraptor, another omnivore, is often depicted stealing eggs, but recent evidence suggests it may have actually been a caring parent, protecting its own eggs from predators. These adaptable dinosaurs remind us that the dinosaur world was full of diverse survival strategies. It wasn't just about being the biggest or the strongest, it was about finding the right niche and evolving the right adaptations to thrive in a world full of giants. Section 1. Whispers in Stone. Imagine you're a detective arriving at a crime scene, but instead of a bustling city, you're surrounded by towering rock formations and dusty plains. The evidence you seek isn't fingerprints or DNA, but the fossilized remains of creatures that vanished millions of years ago. This is the world of the paleontologist, a scientist who studies ancient life. Fossils are like whispers from the past, clues that help us piece together the story of life on Earth. They come in many forms, from the massive skeletons of dinosaurs to the delicate imprints of leaves. Each fossil holds a story waiting to be unlocked by those who know how to listen. But finding fossils is just the beginning. Extracting them from the earth and preparing them for study is a delicate and meticulous process, requiring patience, skill, and a healthy dose of adventure. Section 2. The Art of Excavation. Dinosaur fossils are often found embedded in sedimentary rock, formed over millions of years from layers of sand, mud, and organic matter. Once a promising site is identified, perhaps by a lucky hiker or a dedicated fossil hunter, the real work begins. Paleontologists use a variety of tools to carefully excavate fossils, from delicate brushes and dental picks to heavier equipment like jackhammers and shovels. The goal is to remove the surrounding rock without damaging the precious fossil inside. It's like a giant prehistoric jigsaw puzzle, with each piece painstakingly uncovered and documented. The location and position of every bone, tooth, or footprint can provide valuable information about the creature and its environment. Section 3. Piecing together the past. Once the fossils are safely back in the lab, the real detective work begins. Skilled technicians carefully clean and stabilize the fossils, removing any remaining rock matrix and preserving the delicate structures. Then, like detectives piecing together clues at a crime scene, paleontologists examine the fossils in detail. They analyze the size and shape of bones, the patterns of muscle attachments, and even the wear patterns on teeth. By comparing these features to those of living animals, they can make inferences about how the dinosaur moved, what it ate, and how it interacted with its environment. It's like bringing the past back to life, one fossil at a time. Section 4. Clues from the bones. But fossils can tell us more than just the physical characteristics of dinosaurs. By studying the chemical composition of bones and teeth, scientists can learn about their diet and even the climate in which they lived. For example, the ratio of certain isotopes in dinosaur bones can reveal whether they were warm-blooded like birds and mammals or cold-blooded like reptiles. And fossilized plant matter found alongside dinosaur remains can tell us about the types of vegetation that existed during their time. Each new discovery adds another piece to the puzzle, helping us to paint a more complete picture of the world these magnificent creatures inhabited. It's a journey of discovery that continues to this day, fueled by the passion and dedication of scientists around the world. Our journey through the age of dinosaurs has been filled with wonder and discovery. We've marveled at their size, their diversity, and their incredible adaptations. But what happened to these magnificent creatures? Why did the dinosaurs vanish? The Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event marks a pivotal moment in Earth's history. Imagine a world shrouded in darkness, the air thick with ash and toxic fumes. Volcanoes spewing molten lava and poisonous gases erupt across the globe, reshaping the very landscape. This is the scene painted by the volcanic theory of dinosaur extinction. During the late Cretaceous period, a massive outpouring of lava known as the Deccan Traps eruptions occurred in what is now India. These eruptions, lasting for hundreds of thousands of years, released massive amounts of carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere. These gases, potent greenhouse gases, would have had a devastating impact on the global climate. Increased carbon dioxide levels would have led to a rapid warming effect, while sulfur dioxide would have reflected sunlight back into space, causing global cooling. These dramatic climate swings, coupled with acid rain and ocean acidification, would have created a hostile environment for many life forms. Imagine a fiery object streaking across the sky, growing larger and brighter. It slams into the Earth with unimaginable force, sending shockwaves across the planet. This is the asteroid impact theory. Evidence lies in a thin layer of iridium found in geological formations. Iridium is rare on Earth's surface but abundant in asteroids. This global iridium layer suggests a massive impact event. As we stand here amidst the silent giants of the past, we're reminded that even the mightiest creatures are not invincible. Their extinction reshaped the course of life on Earth, paving the way for new species to evolve, ultimately leading to our own existence. Their fossils are like pieces of a giant jigsaw puzzle, each discovery revealing another glimpse into their fascinating world. The dinosaurs may be gone, but their legacy lives on. What can we learn from the dinosaurs? They ignite within us a sense of wonder, a thirst for knowledge, and a desire to unravel the mysteries of the natural world. The study of dinosaurs is about piecing together the story of life on Earth. Think of Mary Anning, who uncovered fossils that challenged her time, or the fierce rivalry of Marsh and Cope, leading to an explosion of knowledge. These pioneers remind us that anyone can make a difference in science. So, young explorers, keep your eyes peeled, your minds open, and your sense of adventure alive. Who knows what incredible discoveries await you in your own backyard, at a local museum, or even in the pages of a book. The world is full of wonders waiting to be unearthed, if only we dare to look for them. Remember, the journey of discovery is never truly over. Every fossil found, every theory tested, every question asked, brings us one step closer to understanding the intricate web of life that connects us all, from the smallest insect to the largest dinosaur that ever walked the Earth. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures into the world of science and nature. We'll continue to explore the wonders of our planet, from the depths of the oceans to the farthest reaches of space, always seeking new knowledge and inspiring the next generation of explorers. Keep asking questions, keep exploring, and never stop learning.